Hi, a few years back, CAD was almost tied to this traditional popular softwares like CATIA, SolidWorks, but now I think we can use AI to generate some basic CADs. Like just now, I found out like this website which we can just create a CAD just by giving the prompt. Like if we click on submit, I will get the CAD. So now I get the bracket with two holes of dia 8 mm. Now you might be thinking, okay, but if I need to change the thickness, how to do it? So just go on here and now we can edit it here itself. So open this, just go to this web app. Now, now if I want to change the thickness to 4 mm to suppose 2 mm, I can just do it like this. And now I just want to play with my dia hole diameter. I can just go on here and put here, suppose from 8 mm diameter I want 14 mm diameter. Like this it should update. And now plate length I don't want 80, suppose I want 100. Like this. Now I can just go on here and export this part in any of the popular formats. I can do it. I can save this. I can just import in any CAD or CAE software like this. Like this. So this way there are various settings you can change it here. So even some complex shapes we can design. Like I tried to design a coffee mug with a square handle. So yes, it is loading like this, or a car wheel. So you can make quick edits with prompts instead of manually adjusting the sketches and features. And even we can download it and open it in some CE or CAD software. But I think it will not replace the full CAD software yet. But it is perfect for concept modeling, ideation, or speeding up the repetitive task. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.